Happy Monday morning, everybody. It's Monday morning. Okay, so as I was saying, I'm in the backyard and I'm going to work on my compost this morning. So this is my compost that I'm using this year, and I add to it every time my kitchen compost bin gets full. And then what I did this spring, this pile was probably up to this board. And then this spring I dug underneath and I pulled out some composted soil or soil from the winter and moved it over here. And I've been mixing this pile probably every other day for about 10 days, and so now it's completely ready to use as is, or what I'm going to show you, my next stage, is I sift it and really get some nice fine compost for your flower pots, your garden, or whatever you're going to plant. Okay, so I've dug a couple of pailfuls from that compost pile that I showed you from this morning. I have my compost sifter set up in the wheelbarrow, and I will be posting how to make the sifter in the files and in the notes, so you can certainly grab that information and make a sifter on your own. Okay, so I've dumped some of the compost into the sifter, and you can easily just spread it around with your hand and whatnot. The thing that I find works best is to actually lift it and shake it a bit. Unfortunately, I need two hands to do this, so use your imagination and lift the sifter and give it a couple of shakes. Okay, so I actually took this up and gave it a good little shake, and of course I'm going to have some residue left, right? There's pine cones that keep falling in from the pine trees, there's leaves, there's twigs, what else? Oh, there's still a piece of banana that isn't completely composted. So this whole bin that is left from compost, I'm going to throw it in an excess bin, and I'll be using this as some of my browns and dry stuff to add to the compost pile. I forgot, after it's sifted, you've got some beautiful compost, so you can use it for mulch, use it in your garden to improve the soil, add nutrients, use it in your pots. It's beautiful. So if you haven't ever sifted your compost, I would highly recommend doing that, and you'll have a much nicer grade of compost to use.